Rocky Mountain House and Caroline region. For today, sunny. Increasing cloudiness this afternoon. Wind up to 15 kilometers per hour. High +5, UV index 2 for low. Wind chill -12 this morning. For tonight, mainly cloudy with 60% chance of showers or flurries. Low +1. For Saturday, mainly cloudy. High 7, UV index 1 for low. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 12:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday, July 12, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Mountain View County near Cremona and Water Valley and Mountain View County near Carstairs and Sterlingville. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Clearwater County near Caroline and James River Bridge, Red Deer County near Sylvan Lake and Stephenson House and Red Deer County near Spruce View and Red Lodge Provincial Park. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Lacombe County near Beckville and Lacombe County near Lacombe, Black Falls, and Bentley. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Clearwater County near Rocky Mountain House and Crimson Lake. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Rocky Mountain House, Caroline, and Red Deer, Ponoka, Innisfail, Stettler. Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de l'Alberta à 11h48, heure avancée des Rocheuses, le dimanche 12 juillet 2020. Une alerte d'orage violent est émise pour comté de Lacombe, près de Lacombe, Black Falls et Bentley. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour comté de Lacombe, près de Beckville. Une alerte d'orage violent est annulée pour comté de Clearwater, près de Rocky Mountain House et Crimson Lake. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour comté de Clearwater, près de Caroline et James River Bridge, comté de Red Deer, près de Sylvan Lake et Stephenson House, et comté de Red Deer, près de Spruce View et Red Lodge Provincial Park. Une veille d'orage violent est émise pour Rocky Mountain House, Caroline et Red Deer, Ponoka, Innisfail, Stettler. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 12:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
Come on, focus it down. Can't get the camera to focus because of the watermark on the window. Guess if yeah, it's coming over underneath the sliding underneath the awning. I dropped it down. Get a direct view of the lake here. A somewhat direct view. There we go. The satellite in the house is cutting. The satellite is cutting out in the fire. Right, here's the satellite. There's nothing. Here's IndyCar racing is on. Everything's cut off because of all that damn hail hitting the satellite, and the wind blows everything around. See if maybe there's a local. Yeah, no, forget it. Alright, here's analog channel 8. That's up because of the storm. Actually, it's a little weaker right now. I moved the aerials there.
To give it the wrong answers, you get strikes. You get 3
There,
strikes.
there you saw that there. That was thunder.
So as a team, are you ready to play?
I'm gonna do another video on this. We still have
All right, let's
we still have one analog channel here in Alberta. Actually, we have more than one. Here at the lake, we only have one. At least where I am at Sylvan. There's channel 8 and channel 4, but where I am, I only get channel 8.
Only smiles, no hoorays.
Alright. I'll go out and see if I can get more shots, but other than that, that's it for this video. Expect more to come. More is coming. Lots to come. Okay, here's a little bit of the aftermath, if I can get out here. Still raining a little bit. Hasn't really stopped. You can still hear the thunder. Almost looked like it snowed, and I have to say I'd have to say I haven't seen hail like this in quite a few years. At least not out here. But it went through the awning that was dropped down and moved the coffee tables and everything inside.
City of Red Deer is under the severe thunderstorm warning right now. Airdrie, just north of Calgary, also within the severe thunderstorm warning.
Satellite's cut back in.
Radar for later today, so we are expecting to be seeing.
We're still watching old CRT TV out here.
Today. We've also got the possibility of some pretty significant hail from Red Deer east all the way right through to Saskatoon. As we get through the afternoon
this would probably be
today,
considered a pretty high hour set because we use this quite a lot in the summertime.
Now, the science behind the weather and the story of hail. I'm Chris St. Clair. Hail comes from thunderstorms, and thunderstorms are formed out of very moist and unstable air masses that are heated by...
City of Red Deer is within the warning right now, just north of Calgary, including Airdrie are within severe thunderstorm warning. So here's a look at our radar. Band of
right,
cells
so
along
here's
this trough for initiating these
could
severe
be,
thunderstorms right now. We're expecting some significantly heavy rainfall within the area and likely some pretty significant hail as well. So that lines up with our severe thunderstorm forecast from earlier today, where we could see those severe storms in parts of central to east Alberta with heavy rainfall, those strong wind gusts, and the potential for some large hail as well. We'll get to the large hail in just a moment.
That
storm is also possible for southern Saskatchewan as well. So we do have severe thunderstorm warnings for southern Saskatchewan and into southern Manitoba as well. But right now the warnings are in Alberta. We've got this stalled.
I wish these
rain to the north.
iPhones had a damn
that's moving across
manual
the
focus
central part of Alberta that's bringing this widespread rain in these severe warned storms right now.
In the camera application, because
rain possible for
it's a pain in the ass having the autofocus.
Within those thunderstorms, we could see higher rainfall totals, and it seems like that would be diameter. So that would certainly qualify for severe. And those are pretty significant sized hail. For more on hail, here is the science behind.
Yeah, see, there it goes again. It's either they're doing it again, or maybe it's...
Forecast for the Rocky Mountain House
Yeah, see?
and Caroline.
It just did it there again.
For today, sunny.
So I don't know why
Increasing
it says if there's an EAS, right?
up
But
to
then it...
15 kilometers per hour. High.
This used to be our other station out here on the lake. It almost is like the transmitter's still on. Nothing's being read out. It's almost like they're using it as a backup transmitter.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 4:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday, July 12, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning